Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn off Google location tracking on Android. Firstly, on the My Activity page on Google, when you open a browser and go to My Activity, if prompt, sign into your Google account. There, locate the timeline under the location history section. You will see options to turn off or delete your location history. You can select turn off to stop location tracking without deleting past data, or choose to turn off and delete activity if you want to stop tracking and delete all the past location data. If you choose to delete the location history, click next and then delete to confirm. Following these steps will help you manage your Google location tracking and history, either by turning it off or by enabling auto deletion. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.